Hello everyone, this is the React project called Album List. This project is provided by Coding Ninjas. Okay, this is the front-end React project. We have different features here for this project. Like we have to fetch and show the albums. You have to fetch and show album from the API, this API, and we can add the new album. Okay, and we can update the existing album, and we can delete the existing album. Okay, so this is the project. This I have hosted on GitHub. Here as we can see we have different albums here. We can add a new album by clicking on this button. The new album address is to in the bottom. We have to go to at last bottom. You can see we have added new button. Next we can update the existing. I will click on this update button. New title, updated album. Okay, you can see here the new updated button is here, and we can delete the existing album also. Okay, so let's go to the code part. Here let's go to index.html. In the index.html, what I did is I have integrated bootstrap here, as you can see, just for basic design for buttons. Okay, next let's go to the index.js. In the index.js, I think this is special. We have just rendering app here. Let's go to app.js here. In the app.js, we have different functions. Like this function is to fetch the album. Next function is to delete the existing album. This function is to update the album. It takes the object, it takes album object from the album listing to update it. Similarly, it also takes the album ID from the album list. Next up, we have the function to add a new album here. Okay. Next, this is I have used the routes to in order to go in order for smooth routing to different pages. Okay. Next, to go to add albums, we have different components here for different pages. Let's, for example, to add album, we have add album.js. The add album here we can see we have this function. This function, what will do, it will get input like user ID and title to create a new album. Here in the in the return here, what we are doing, we are rendering two components. The first component is navbar, and the second one is the content. Navbar also actually it changes, the navbar title changes according to the page. For example, if I this is the album list page, here the title we can see album list. If I go to add album, the title will be changed to add new album here. Similarly, if I go to update, the title will be changed to update album. Okay, so for that, what I did is I have used props. Using the props, what will be the title will be? We are actually we are sending the title to different pages. Here in the add album, we are sending the title as add new album. If we go to album list, we can see the title is album list, and if we go to update album, the title will be update album. Okay, so this is about add album. Now, if I go to album list, here as we can see in the album list, we have navbar as well as number of components, different components here. Similarly, we have the list here. In the list, the individual album design is mentioned, individual album, for example, update button, delete button, and all. Okay. Next, if I go to navbar, in the navbar, we have three different components. Three different tags here. First is a logo. The second one is the title. We have used prop to in order to change the different title according to the page. And the third one is the button, and this button also changes. For example, in the album list, the button title is add album. If I click this one, the button title will be changed to home. Okay, So this is about list navbar. Okay. Similarly, update albums also, that will also we have navbar and the form actually. Okay. And if you go to index.css, we have simple stylings in this page. Okay, so yeah, it's 5 minutes 20 seconds. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.